Hi, welcome to Fremont's home buying class. We're glad you joined us today. There's a lot of great information here, so sit down, get ready, and learn. And more importantly, when you're done, you're also going to get an education and money towards your next home purchase. Home buying has changed dramatically in the last several years, really over the last 20 years. So here are the correct steps to home buying in today's market. First, you want to find an honest lender. Second, you want to figure out your options. Any lender that's not willing to sit down with you and give you all the options is not a lender you want to work with. Also, you want to take a look at your budget to make sure that you're not going to buy more house than you can reasonably afford. Also, you want to interview realtors. You want to find realtors that are going to meet your needs. In other words, you don't want a realtor who specializes in $1 million homes taking you out to look at $150,000 homes. When you're looking at properties, you want to rank features such as proximity to schools, your commute to work, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and other features that are important to you. And you want to think about not just now or the next couple years, but down the road. If you don't have kids now, is a 2-bedroom home going to be appropriate if you have kids down the road? Things to think about not only for yourself, but also when you decide to sell the property. Then you could begin shopping. When you're looking at homes, you want to make sure that you, again, understand the features, the cost, the area, and everything that goes along with it. Also, it's a great way to ask your insurance agent to give you quotes on both your auto and homeowner's insurance. You'd be surprised, even a few blocks can actually mean dramatic differences in premiums. Now, a lot of people stay away from homeownership because they feel they don't have the down payment or the money to move in. Please be aware there are a lot of programs that require no money down. There's also grants and other features available to help out home buyers. Here are some important tips that you need to be made aware of when you're actually looking to finance a property. First, you want to make sure all your financial documents are readily available and you get them to lender promptly. Second, you don't want to quit or change jobs. You'd be surprised how many people think this isn't a big deal. It really is. It could actually jeopardize your loan approval. You don't want to run up any credit card debt or go out and buy anything new like a car or anything major like that, because that could change your debt ratio and once again nullify your loan approval. You also want to season your money. And by that, if you have money for down payment, whether it comes from relatives or yourself, make sure it's in one account that can be easily traced. All monies need to be verified. So if you make it cumbersome to track this money, it's going to delay the loan process. Also, stick to your budget. It's so easy to look at all these features and options and start going above your budget. But remember, you're the one making these payments. Stick to your budget so you don't have problems down the road. And if you're purchasing a home and you're not married, something to consider is called a mortgage prenup. All you do is go to your attorney and have him draft something very simple, just in case it doesn't work out. The most important thing, keep emotions out of it. I know it's difficult, but when you let emotions get involved in the home buying process, you tend to make mistakes. I'll tell you one example. We had a client that found a house and she loved it. Unfortunately, someone outbid her. She found the next house, loved it, someone outbid her. Then she was actually distraught. Next thing she knows, the house of her dreams comes on the market. She gets it right away, makes the purchase price, gets the house, and she's happy. And she says right now, she's so glad she missed out on the other two. So don't worry if you miss out on the one house. Sometimes the better house is right around the corner. Here are some strategies for buying a home in today's market. If you're able, try to make an offer without a contingency. What that means is you don't have to break a lease or sell another house. That makes you more competitive than some of the other people who maybe have to sell a property. Also, shop for ugly ducklings. A lot of times people will bypass homes that need a little bit of work. And even if you're not a handy person, you can use the 203K renovation loan to actually buy and renovate the house. And you do it all in one loan and we lend on the future value. Work with the seller. Asking sellers in today's market what their goals are. Maybe they're willing to get a quick offer, but they can't get their new house for 3 more months. Maybe you can agree to rent the house back or not settle for 3 months and work with them. That may get you the offer before someone offering maybe a little bit more money who's not as flexible. Consider seller help versus the asking price. If you're getting money from friends and family, offer full price. If you need a little bit of help, then offer full price and ask the seller to contribute some money towards your closing cost. Keep in mind related costs such as moving, down payments, and security deposits on utilities and other things that go into the budget. A lot of times people aren't prepared for that. And one of the final things is watch out for internet and TV lenders. What you want to be aware of is the R word, not rate, but results. So many lenders try to get you in with low rates, but then drag things on, and the only thing that happens is you lose money. Shop locally, look for a lender that has reputation and results to get your loan closed. And one thing we offer is a free home warranty on all purchases because we don't want you to have any sudden expenses or surprises after you become a homeowner. Thank you for watching this class. If you need more assistance, one-on-one with one of our loan officers, simply call the office 800-955-8508 or go to our website at Freedmont, FREEDMONT.com, NMLS number 1067.